It is an afternoon. We come out to grab some food. We go for steak. And I'm looking forward to it. What will American restaurant be like? Will it be expensive? Will it be tasty? I am in a antique store. A lot of things. And the label is handwritten. How much is this? $10. Some vase. Hong Kong, look. It's from Hong Kong. Some accessories. Switch. Oh, plastic. This is plastic, yeah. They sell everything here. Whoa. Now we're in the steakhouse. So it's the menu. And we have chicken ribs.
Would you like some bread to start off with as well?
This is my beverage, lemonade. This is the baked potato soup, and that is the bread. We're waiting for the steak. And this baked potato soup, potato. Tastes like some dish in China. Anyway, we got bacon and a pepper, I don't know, cheese in it. It's very tasty. Yes. This is ridiculous. It looks better than mine.
God damn it.
Can you just ask them to cook it? Much well. It looks rare.
Yep, pretty rare. Should be medium well, but it doesn't seem like medium
Have you
well
tried
at
it?
all.
Yeah, you can have a try. It's good or not? How's it? How do you like it?
Pretty nice though.
Yeah, really, this is Philly and this are mixed baggies. This is my dish.
Wow.
What?
Wow.
So I really can't film while I'm eating, so I might stop. This is my bill. I paid 15% tips.
Buy in B U Guo need balling juice wall.